Welcome. If you want to make sure you never miss a tag notification on your Facebook page using the new update on your PC, you're in the right place. I'm going to guide you through a simple and clear process to enable tags notifications on the Facebook app. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your PC and make sure you're logged into the right account. At the top right corner of your screen, you'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a menu with several options. Next, look for the option labeled Settings and Privacy. Then click on it. From the expanded menu, select Settings. This will take you to the main settings page where you can manage various preferences for your Facebook account. Now, on the left side menu, find and click on Notifications. This section controls all the notifications you receive. Scroll through the list until you find the Tags option and click on it. Here's the important part. You'll see an option called Get Notifications when you're tagged. Simply toggle this option on to enable it. This means that whenever someone tags you or your page in a post, photo, or comment, Facebook will send you a notification. This helps you stay updated and respond quickly to your community and contacts. And that's it. With these steps completed, you'll never miss being tagged on Facebook again. If you ever want to adjust or turn off these notifications, just follow the same path and toggle the settings as needed. Staying on top of your tag notifications is a great way to stay connected and engage actively with your followers and friends on Facebook. Thanks for tuning in.